Good morning everyone. I am going to give video lecture on program for BCD to hexadecimal conversion. First we will discuss the algorithm to convert from BCD to hexadecimal. The algorithm to convert BCD to hexadecimal number. So start the program, take a BCD number and then convert it to unpacked form. First we will take the lower nibble and we will unpack by using a AND instruction, ANDing with the 0F0. Then higher nibble is unpacked by ANDing with the F0H, which is then rotate 4 times to the right to get the 0th position. The result from step 4 is then multiplied with the 0H and added to the result of step 3 to get the resultant hexadecimal number. Okay, we'll stop the program and then we'll check the program to convert from BCD to hexadecimal number. I'll explain this program in editor window. Here we will consider data segment and code segment. In data segment, I considered one BCD number that is stored in a variable BCD. BCD define word 55H. To store the result, I used a variable bin, which is defined as bin TW, and the result location that. In the code segment, the first 2 lines for the initialization for the data segment, we'll use the instruction move AX, data, move DS, AX. I consider the number which is stored in AX register. To get the lower nibble, I'll use the AND instruction AND AX, 0F, and that will be stored in BX register. So move BX, AX. Consider number again and to get the upper nibble, and use the AND instruction AND AX, 0F0H. To get the 0th position, I will rotate the data 4 times. For that, first I load the count in CL register, then rotate right by using instruction ROR AL, CL. Then I'll consider 0H in CX register, then multiply CX into AX. The previous result which is stored in BX register, which is added with the AX content, then the final result will be stored in a location bin, which is defined in a data segment. I'll terminate the program by using instruction move H, 4CH in 21H. We check the result for this. Check the result. First I'll save the program. The file exit. I'll use the command masum p2x .asm the command link b2x .obj, enter. Now debug the program by using a command afdebug. Program name b2 x.exe, enter. The debugging window, the first 2 line we are initializing the data segment. So the data segment address location is copied to AX register, and the data is present in a data segment, that will be pointing to 0000 location. Okay, first the data is loaded to X register. that is copy to X register. So 55 is copy to X register. I am ending with the F0 to get the lower nibble, and to get the upper nibble I will just end with the F0H. Use a count CL, count 4 which is loaded to the CL register, and rotate the content of AL 4 times to get the 0th position. Then load the 0AH to CX register, then multiply with the AL content. So in the AX content, the result will be previously stored in BX register, which we added with the AX register. Then finally the result will be stored in a location bin that is specified in a data segment as 0002. So the considered number 55 is the BCD, and the equivalent number for 55 hexadecimal will get as 37.